Stefan, what are we off to do?
Jump to 11,000 feet. That would be awesome.
Yeah.
It's the biggest fear.
What made you come up with this idea?
I just have things in my life and I want to celebrate that with this.
Okay.
That's a good way to do it.
Okay.
Conquer the biggest fear of my life.
Okay. Here we are. We'll be up at 11,000 feet. Door is open. We slid into this position. And I put my foot out on the step. All I'm going to tell you, Stefan, is put your feet on the out on the step. So you lean back into me and put your feet out on the step. Go ahead. You can't move though. Put your feet high, bend down, grab your legs, whatever you need to do. Yeah. And now, so you don't grab anything, cross your arms. Put your head back on my shoulder. Now this is the most important one. Take a deep breath. Relax. And all I'm going to say is ready, set, go. Okay, roll over the way. You just leave your feet where they are. I'll just roll us out of there. Come on up. Right over here. So your arms are still crossed. I'm going to do a couple of gear check things. Then I'm going to tap your arms. Your arms come out to the side. Go ahead. Hands up. Yep. Camera's going to be over here. Yep. Give it deep. You can bring your hands back in. You bring them right in front. Yeah. There you can do it. 5,000 feet, I open the parachute. I'm going to bring down the steering toggles. Yep. There's loops underneath the ones my hands are in.
Yeah.
You put your hands in there.
With the loop?
Yeah. Now you're driving. Yeah, I'll be there with you.
Okay.
I'm going to disconnect these side ones at that time and put them back where they are right now.
Okay.
Then we're going to just fly around.
Okay.
About 1,500 feet, I will take the toggles back and I'll drive.
Okay.
For coming in for landing, the one thing I need you to do is speed up in front of you. Show me with one leg, and make sure you don't dig into the ground. Just slide in. Okay. Okay?
Sounds good.
That's all we're doing.
I get you back home with me. I'm going to bed, but I could use a little company. I got to go people to bring to a better speed. The weak in the knees, busting up out of the seat to the bare feet. Cashed out, banking on a total sweep. Now the two left feet maybe. You dance back home with me. Can't make you maybe. Well, I can get you out of those 2 feet.
How was that? Oh, that's fantastic. The best trip in my life.
Got to, Lord, I do.